Advertisement and Sales Promotion Management, presented by M. Sureka, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Management, JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Pudukkottai. Functions of advertising: promotion of sales, introduction of new product, support to production system, increasing standard of living, public image. Promotion of sale: advertising promotes the sale of goods and services by informing and persuading the people to buy them. A good advertising campaign helps in winning customers and generating revenues. Introduction of new products: it helps in the introduction of new products in the market. A business enterprise can introduce itself and its products to the public through advertising. Support to production system: advertising facilitates large scale production. The business firms knows that it will be able to sell on a large scale with the help of advertising. Mass production will reduce the cost of productive per unit by making possible an economical use of various factors of production. Increasing standard of living: advertising educates the people about the products and their uses. It is advertising which has helped people in adopting new ways of life and giving up old habits. It has contributed a lot towards the betterment of the standard of living of the society. Public image: advertising builds up the reputation of the advertiser. Advertising enables a business firm to communicate its achievement and its efforts to satisfy the customer's needs to the public. This increases the goodwill and reputation of the firm. Support to media: advertising sustains press. Advertising provides an important source of revenue to the publishers of newspaper and magazine and the producers of TV programs. Persuasion: advertising is to influence the opinion of the customer to buy a product or service. The planned persuasion is to agree the customer to purchase our product in a satisfaction manner. Catalyst for change: creativity in advertising leads to the discovery of new relationship can change the perception. The originality of message communicated and eventual effect on customer standard of living. The ability of changes can from originality, innovation and imagination of advertising. Stimulates demand: inform the consumers about the availability of product in the market. The general agreement of advertising has some effect on aggregate consumption. Various types of advertising: retail advertising, trade advertising, institutional advertising, industrial advertising, professional advertising. Industrial advertising: advertising directed at commercial business customers. The advertised products are raw materials, components or equipment needed in the production or distribution of other goods and services. So what are the main objectives of industrial advertising? To inform, to bring the order, to raise queries, to provide support for the salesman, to reduce selling cost, to establish the recognition of the product, to motivate distributors, they change the company's image, to change buyer's attitude. These are the basic objectives that increase the benefits of the buyer to help in benefits of non-monetary objective. Media of industrial advertising: trade publication. Trade publications are classified into either horizontal or vertical. Horizontal publications are directed to people who hold a similar job in different companies across different jobs. Directory advertising: every state has an industrial directory and these are also a number of private ones. One of the most popular directory is New York based. Consumer media: sometimes advertising of business in consumer magazine is the hope of build brand recognition. Consumer advertising is also used to influence consumers to pull the brand through the channel at the stores. Web advertising: internet is a key factor for B2B advertising. B2B. Company websites allow business people or elements to view product light, place orders, check price and availability. Direct marketing. Business advertisers uses direct marketing such as direct mail sent to customers data sheet. These are used to share the information about the product price and availability in the market. Institutional or corporate advertising. The institutional advertising is any type of advertising intended to promote a company, corporation, business, institution, organization, or other similar entity. Such advertising does not attempt to sell anything directly. It informs the public about what the institution is doing for the society and the country in areas like literacy, health, employment generation, etc. The most common types are radio, television, print, and digital. Objective of institutional advertising. The objective of the institutional or corporate advertising are to make the company known, to make its product or service known, to make its achievements known, to make its values known, to make socio-political, economic, moral statement. These are the objectives involved in institutional advertising to develop the brand image and increase the sales in the organization. Media for institutional advertising. Television. Television is one of the leading advertisement media. Television advertising can be classified into network, national, local, and cable ads. Most of the audience should use the television in national, local, and network cables to develop the brand of the product. Newspaper. Newspaper is also one of the media for institutional advertising. Some of the customer is motivated to listen the voice in the radio to the particular advisable in radio. It also promote the goods as well as create image in the competition market. Magazine. Some journal like Reader Digest, Time or the Consumer Magazine. In magazines also they promote their goals and services. Direct mail. Through sending of direct mail, we can motivate the customer regarding our brand building and promoting goods and services. Retail advertising. Retail advertising is the advertising by retailer who usually sell goods direct to the customer. The main aim of the retailer is to create awareness of different retail products and directly target the customer. It also helps the retailer effectively research their product to the existing customers and also new ones. Objective: to sell the stock, to establish the identity of business, to attract personal telephone or mail order shoppers. Retail advertising is done through window displays, posters, leaflets. Media or method of retail advertising. Print advertising such as newspaper and magazines flash their advertisement in daily and weekly magazine to promote the goods and services and also build the image. Broadcast. Broadcast commercially such as TV, radio ads for the targeting customer through the communications of broadcasting the advertisements. Internet. Using internet also they promote the goods and services to entail awareness on product to the customers. Here some offers and coupons also available in the website. Store advertising. In store advertising such as window display, banners, posters and special in-store displays. Trade advertising. Trade advertising is the combination of both retailer and wholesaler. Retailers are mainly target to the customers directly, whereas wholesale are generally not advertising minded either for themselves or for their suppliers. They need for the developing on overall promotional strategy. Objective: encourage the retailers to stock up the product to encourage higher sales and more profits. It will be a part of the total advertising campaign. Consumer advertisers' aim is to convince the customers and consumers about the benefits gained from buying the product. It supports distribution for increasing sales. Media or channel. Trade publication. Trade advertisers use trade publications because they reach the highly target audience, customers, through either horizontal or vertical publications. Direct mail. Direct mail to the trade audience carriers directly send the information to the customers. Trade shows. By conducting trade fairs, trade exhibitions, we can create awareness on the products to the customers. Internet. Through internet, by using banners, ads in the internet and information in the website used for the consumer and build a brand in the mind of consumers. Professional advertising. Advertising aimed at teachers, accountant, doctor, dentist, architect, engineers, lawyer. These are called professional advertising and appear in official publications of professional society. They have their own business license, operate a code of ethics called professional advertising. Objective: to convince professional people to buy item by brand name for use in their work. To encourage professionals to recommend a specific product to their clients. To convince the person to use the product personally. Channels for professional advertising. Professional journals. A professional journal is a collection of articles and images about topics of applied science and professional news items. In this, we can give the advertisement on the respect field of their profession. Direct mail. Direct mail encompasses of wide variety of marketing materials including brochures, catalogs, postcards and sales letter. Mass media. In this mass media, a large number of audiences should take place to broadcast media in case of TV, radio, newspaper and magazines. It creates a modern culture and pass the messages, promote the goods and sense of the customers. Thank you.